In this video, I want to show you how to fix the remote control of your Sony TV. Even if it's not working like this Sony models, they all look a bit different, everything will apply to you as well. So let's get started right away. So once the remote is not working, what I suggest is that you turn off your TV using the power button. Sometimes it's located on the back of the TV, sometimes it's under, and you're gonna unplug your Sony TV from the power source. So go ahead, pull the plug and let it sit this way. Meanwhile, take the remote control, open the back. Okay, I have simply slide this out. And you're gonna remove the batteries. First thing, I suggest you replace these with brand new ones. Sometimes these are the issues, even if they're not completely depleted, they will act up and the remote will not work properly. So replace them with new ones. Once you have removed the batteries, you're gonna turn the remote around and you're gonna press this power button during 20 seconds. Keep your finger pressed, even if it doesn't have any batteries. After 20 seconds, release it. And now you're gonna press every button of this remote control very hard, at least 3 times. All right, like this. Press them hard. Why you're doing this, it's because sometimes dirt, hair, debris, dust enter under these buttons. You don't see it, but it's there. And if one of these buttons is not making contact when you press because there's dirt under it, the whole remote control can stop working. So this is why I suggest you go ahead. I know it can take maybe 5 minutes, but press every button very hard. And we're trying to dislodge any dirt, anything that may be stuck under there. Okay, so do everything. Okay, I won't do it. It will take a while. But once you finish pressing every button, truly put back new batteries. I mean, the one that I told you to take. Perfect. Now plug back your TV in the wall outlet. The TV should power on by itself once you plug it in after 5 to 6 seconds. If it's not powering on, power on the TV using the button, the power button on the TV, not the remote control, at least not this first time. So go ahead, I press the power button. And now wait a few seconds so it powers on and test the remote control. After doing this, there's a good chance that it will start working again and you won't have to purchase a new remote. And by the way, if it still doesn't work, maybe the remote is not good anymore, I'll put links in the description for replacement remote controls from Amazon. Usually they're cheaper, especially if they're not genuine from Sony. So check my links down below if you want to replace your remote control. Leave a like if these tricks worked, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as well.